all of my family, friends, most especially my fellow Sultan Coderteños, my victory is yours as well.
There you have it. Ms. Sultan Kudarat, please take a question from the book. Your question is, the national elections are in a week's time. Our national hero Jose Rizal wrote that the youth is the hope of the fatherland. How can our young people play an important role in our elections?
In our generation, youth has a strong personality. They have the power to choose and vote for the right leaders. That's why tonight, I would like to encourage our youth to be wise in selecting